Hello guys, and welcome to this video. So in today's video we are going to look at the question under sets. So it's coming from 2022 math paper 2. So this is a set, or rather a question that is able to help us understand how we can come up with the Venn diagram and based on the information that we've been given. Okay, so what we have now is in a particular locality, 25 people like walking, 22 people like running, and 15 people like cycling during their routine exercises. 11 people like both walking and running, 9 people like both running and cycling, 7 people like both walking and cycling, 3 people like all the 3 activities, while 7 people do not like any of the activities. So what are we supposed to do? So it says draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. So that is our first thing. So what we're going to do is we are going to have okay. So this is the Venn diagram, and this is going to be walking, then also running, then also cycling. Okay. Now, when it comes to this question, the most important thing to understand is the idea that we have to look for the number that is intersecting on the 3 activities, such as walking, cycling, and running. Okay. So this is what we have. So I have been told that 3, okay, 3 of these 3 people, okay, so 3 people like all the 3 activities, okay, so it's going to be a 3 at the intersection for the 3 walking, running, cycling. Now remember that once you have this one, it simply means that whatever you have is actually included, okay, in terms of if you're looking at running and cycling, walking and cycling, and that. Okay, so we know that from this point they are saying 11 people like both walking and running. So when you talk about walking plus running, okay, it should be able to give us 11. So we know that we have to subtract 3 from there, and then we'll be able to get 8. Okay, so walking and running, so this is going to be 8. Okay, and then also we'll move on, and 9 people like both running and cycling. So running plus cycling is 9. So you always subtract the 3, okay, and this will give us what? 6. So the running and cycling intersection will be 6. And then we are saying 7 people like both walking and cycling. So walking plus cycling equals to 7. So you remove 3, you remain with that 4. So walking and cycling, this is going to be 4. Okay. So once you have done this, we have reached this far, it becomes even easier for you to just sort of like complete now. Okay. So now we come to the idea of just only walking, only running, only cycling. So what are you going to do? You go back to the main statement. In a particular, like 25 people like walking. So the whole of this is walking. So they are saying 25. So what you do is you say 25 minus, you subtract 8 plus 3 plus this one. So you're going to get 8 plus 3 plus 4. So it will be 25 minus, so this is 12 minus 15. Okay, and this is going to be 10. So this is going to be 10. And then you do the same with just only what? Running. So you just take this part. Once you take this part, you add everything that is inside that. 8 plus 3 plus 6. So how many, what is the total for running? So they're saying 22, okay? 22 people like running, so 22. So the total of this should give us 22. So we're going to say 22 minus, this is 8 plus 3, that is 11, plus 6, you're going to get 17. Okay? Then once you subtract here, you have 5. Okay? So now, the idea is to make sure that when I add every single element or number that is within the side running this circle, I should be able to get 22. And also same applies to walking. Anything that is inside this, 10, 8, 3, 4, it should be able to give you 25. That is the key concept there. So now, we remain now with the cycling. Okay. We remain with the cycling now. So we are going to say this plus this plus this. Okay. So for the cycling, what is the total in the question there? So they are saying 15 people, okay? 15 people like cycling. Okay. So I'm going to say 15 minus this is 4 plus 6 is 10, okay, plus 3, that is 13. So when you subtract there, you're just going to get 2, and the 2 will be there. Okay, and then now the next thing that we do is look at this, and then they're saying 7 people, and then wow, 7 people do not like any of the activities. So 7 people do not like any of the activities. So this is going to be a complement. Okay. So you put it outside. Okay. So once this is done, then you can now continue. So now we are here now. How many people are in this locality? Okay, so for you to find the number, the total number of people, you just add everything in this. Okay, so you're going to say 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus, so 10, 8, 3, 5, 6, 4, 2, and 7. So this will just give you 45. Okay. So that will just give you 45. Then the next question is, how many people like walking only? So just walking. So you identify which activity represent walking is just this one. Yeah. But just now walking. So this is just 10. So for like walking, just 10. Then how many people like 2 different activities? So when you want to find 2 different activities, what you just do is you look at the intersection of the 2 activities. So running, cycling, it is just 6, and then walking and cycling just 4, and then walking and running just 8. So you are only going to get those numbers and then just add them. So for this one, you're just going to say it is 8 plus 6 plus 4. So you should not include the 3 because the 3 implies for all three activities. So this is 8 plus 4, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 8, that is 18. Okay. So this is how you can answer this question. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to support me, like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Radical Academy, and also on my Facebook page, you can follow me as well, Radical Academy. So I'll see you in the next video.